Hi there. I was just thinking about something. Uh, Me and George get along really well. We're pretty much best buddies. And even though we're different species, we communicate pretty well, I think. But there's one thing that's kind of lopsided is that George actually understands human language and certain words. He knows what they mean. So he is kind of like smarter than me in that way because I don't understand any dog language or barking or anything other than like when they get upset or something. I don't really know what they're saying or what they're trying to communicate to me. So he is actually smarter in that way than I am. He makes more of an effort to understand my language than I do with his language. Does that make sense? So I decided to try to research this problem and see if I could try to make more of an effort to communicate with in his language to him. Seems like the least I could do for him because he's my best friend. So I started studying on YouTube. You could find all kinds of old Scooby-Doo cartoons, and you could find the ones that got Scooby and Shaggy in it, and those guys kind of like me and George. They're real best buddies, and they do everything together. And they kind of communicate better, it seems like. And one of the ways that Scooby communicated with Shaggy was the kind of noises that he made. That I've discovered that dogs, a lot of dogs make those kind of noises. They don't actually speak English like Scooby does, but it's similar sounds to what Scooby used to do. So I'm going to try and make an effort to speak that way to George. And just to help things along, I got this. I got a rubber dog nose, so it'll make me seem more dog-like, I guess. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it out. So here we go. Yo. You understand what I'm saying, yo? They're barking, yo. You're not talking to me, you're just barking. That's not good. I guess that didn't work too good.